This is just a quick representation of what my smoothie is going to look like. My smoothie has about 4 strawberries, 4 to 5 blackberries. On day-by-day basis, I do not measure out the yogurt, honestly. I either do it very quickly or I only do it when I have time. So usually just 1 tablespoon. And then the granola, just about a handful as well. If I want the granola. The granola is just extra, honestly. Half a banana and then about 1 Gala apple. Gala apples are my favorite. Next, we have the just Soul strawberries. You could find these basically at any grocery store. I feel like strawberries really make the smoothie for me because, like, I feel like I don't make any smoothies without strawberries. Well, maybe I do, but, like, usually that's a staple piece in them. So, just really important. I love strawberries. Next, I have some blackberries from the same brand as well. And obviously, it just goes in my berry theme because I really, really like berries. And I don't know, I'll have to make other smoothies one day. Now I have an organic Dole banana. You want to think of a creamy consistency like this product of a banana as a base in your smoothie. The creamier texture that you want, the more you want to put of a base like this. If you want it more liquefied, then you would put less. So it just depends on your preference at this point. Usually for 1 serving, I'd put half. And this is some almond organic granola. This is also up to your discretion. Usually I use granola for the crunch I want in my smoothie if I do use it at all. But you could use anything to achieve that really, chia seeds or anything you like. Here's 1 Gala apple, pretty self-explanatory, but Gala apples are my favorite by far. So, yeah, I go with that. You could use either a half or you could use 1 depending on how much you want. And here's some Greek non-fat vanilla yogurt. I know that a lot of people are either lactose intolerant or just don't consume dairy, and that's fine as well. There's always other dairy substitutes that you can go for instead. And I know that this vanilla yogurt is not the healthiest because it does say that it does have natural flavors, so you could always opt for yogurt that is plain, which I often do at times. But the vanilla flavored yogurt, I feel, just adds a lot of extra, sweetness to your smoothie. So if you're looking for a really sweet, good smoothie, I'd say use Greek vanilla yogurt, and that's probably the best you're going to get. I just want to note that, yes, there are quite a few servings in here. I'm making it for 3 servings, but this is generally what my blender looks like after I finish putting everything in it. And now to bring my smoothie to an end, I have to put a liquid. So for my liquid base, this time I'm using water. And I'm using 3/4 cup of water just because I am making 3 servings. But you can use how much you need based on how many servings you're making. And honestly, for your liquid base, you can use anything. You could use juice, any type of apple juice, orange juice. You could use any type of milk, dairy milk, almond milk, soy milk. So all of it works just fine. And then I'm going to throw 2 ice cubes in there because, you know, what's a smoothie without ice cube? Most people do like chill smoothies. So let's blend this all together now. And honestly, I want to point out that this blender actually does help a lot with the measurements because it goes all the way to the 3 to the 4 cup measurement. So it shows that I'd be getting about that much out of the content that I put in. So let's go blend this up now. So the smoothies are done now and they're ready to enjoy, but I do want to mention one simple disclaimer. Simple, but something very significant. So this is a creative process, just like anything else. It's creating your own art and something that you're actually passionate about. So if making something healthy is something you're passionate about, something that you want to do, whether it's to boost your metabolism or help your healthy eating lifestyle, then I say go for it. But please don't worry about perfection because perfection is not something that any of us, I feel, will ever reach. So don't strive for that, but strive to make yourself happy and to feel successful. So step-by-step procedure, not important, but putting the effort in is. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys got inspired by this in some way, let me know in a comment or, reach out to me. And thank you for watching. Bye.